Every minute, someone's social media or Google account gets hacked. And the worst part? Most people don't even realize how it happened until it's too late. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you 5 simple steps to protect your online accounts like a pro. Let's make your data hack-proof. Locked. First, stop using one password for everything. Hackers love people who use the same password everywhere. It's like using one key for your home, car, and locker. Instead, create strong symbols and make each one unique. If it's hard to remember, use a free password manager like Bitwarden, 1Password, or Google Password Manager. Step 2. Turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA. Enable two-factor everywhere possible. Even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account without that second code. Use apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. They're fast, secure, and easy to set up. Step 3. Avoid clicking suspicious links. Never click random links, especially in messages or emails saying things like your account is locked. Hackers use fake pages that look real to steal your info. Always check the web address before you type your password. It should start with HTTPS and have the correct domain name. Step 4. Regularly check account activity. Keep an eye on your account activity. Every major platform like Google, Facebook, or Instagram lets you see where your account is logged in. If you notice a device you don't recognize, log it out immediately. Step 5. Keep your devices updated. Finally, always update your phone, browser, and apps. Old versions often have security holes that hackers can exploit. A quick update today can literally save your data tomorrow.
Bonus tip: always use different recovery emails for your main accounts. If one gets hacked, your recovery still stays safe.
And that's it. 5 steps that can save your accounts from getting hacked. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mendit Tech for more smart digital safety tips. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you.